cursed too much, Duke reached the end, furious Harry will blame everyone else after court. The Duchess of Sussex, 40, apologized to the Court of Appeal yesterday after she failed to tell a judge about her attempts to influence a biography about her and Prince Harry. Emails shown to a court revealed she and Harry heavily briefed their press spokesman Jason Knauf before he met the authors of Finding Freedom 2 years ago, despite Meghan previously denying cooperating with them. Meghan apologized for not mentioning the emails, but royal biographer Angela Levin believes Harry will be furious, and says the Duke will be quick to push the blame elsewhere. He will be furious, Angela told. I think Harry will blame the press, he will blame everybody except himself. Angela, who wrote Harry, Conversations with the Prince, thinks Meghan and Harry will also lose a lot of credibility after the revelations, with the public likely to lose trust in them. She added there was an irony in Harry attacking disinformation yesterday while his wife was apologizing to the appeal court for not giving the right information. I think they will both blame other people because at the moment they have never shown any signs of taking on any blame themselves, she said. They will blame everybody else they can. Meghan yesterday apologized to the Court of Appeal for not mentioning the emails before in her long-running High Court privacy case against the Mail on Sunday for revealing the contents of the letter to her father. The Sussexes have previously repeatedly denied collaborating with Omid Scobie and Caroline Durand on their book Finding Freedom, but Meghan apologized in a witness statement made public on Wednesday after a former aide told the court he did provide information to the authors. The Duchess' apology came as part of her litigation against Associated Newspapers Limited, ANL, publisher of the UK's The Mail on Sunday newspaper, which reproduced parts of a private letter she sent to her father Thomas Markle in August 2018. In his own witness statement, Meghan and Harry's former communications secretary Jason Knauf said the book was discussed on a routine basis and discussed directly with the Duchess multiple times in person and over email. In her own witness statement Meghan said, I accept that Mr. Knauf did provide some information to the authors for the book and that he did so with my knowledge, for a meeting that he planned for with the authors in his capacity as communications secretary. The extent of the information he shared is unknown to me. When I approved the passage, I did not have the benefit of seeing these emails and I apologized to the court for the fact that I had not remembered these exchanges at the time. I had absolutely no wish or intention to mislead the defendant or the court. Meghan also said she was not aware of the emails between her and Knauf at the time of her previous statement because the litigation had not reached the disclosure stage, and her lawyers asked to adjourn the trial due to her pregnancy. Court documents submitted on Meghan's behalf signed by her lawyer Justin Rushbrook in her High Court privacy hearing in September 2020 said, the claimant and her husband did not collaborate with the authors of the book. When Finding Freedom was published, a spokesman for the couple told the press, the Duke and Duchess of Sussex were not interviewed and did not contribute. And in his witness statement, Arthur Scobie said, any suggestion that the Duke and Duchess collaborated on the book is false. Mr. Knauf's statement reveals, the book was discussed directly with the Duchess multiple times in person and over email. He says on November 12, 2018 that the Duchess asked to discuss the book with me that afternoon. In her new court statement, Meghan added, until I saw these emails, I had not given any thought to Mr. Knauf's meeting with this journalist, or any other. Those meetings and calls comprised the entirety of Mr. Knauf's job. No particular meeting stood out in my mind, as there was a daily deluge of media inquiries which he was tasked with handling. Meghan and Harry have denied ever meeting the authors in person and there is no evidence to suggest they did.